Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix, and this is going to be a quick video guys, because in this video I am going to show you guys how to replace an air filter from this Hyundai i10 car. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will have to open the hood of your car. Once you open the hood, you will see the air filter box of this car. So this is the air filter box of this car. Now to open this box, it is very easy. To replace a air filter on any car, it is very simple guys. The main thing is you should know how to locate the air filter box. Once you do that, you can easily replace the air filter. Now on this air filter box, you will see two clamps. These two clamps you will have to open now. Just press them like this and lift them up, and it will easily get unlocked. Once you open both the clamps, now you will have to shake this air filter box a little bit, lift it up a little bit and pull it. Once you pull it, you can access the air filter, but see that you don't pull too much because this air filter box is still connected. So lift the cover of the air filter box a little bit like this and pull the air filter out. So here comes out my air filter. What is the condition of this air filter? You guys can see that here. When I last replaced this, I don't even remember that. But now I will replace this with a new one. This is my new air filter. This has cost me 246 rupees. I have bought this from the service center. This is the original air filter. So let's take it out and let's see how it looks. And as you guys can see how nice and clean it looks. So now I will put this on the car. But before I put it, I will compare it with my old air filter. Whenever you buy a new part, you should always compare both the parts and check if they are exactly the same. So here both my air filters are exactly the same. So my new air filter I will put inside of my air filter box now. Once I put it inside properly, now I will have to close the cover. While I'm closing the cover, we'll have to keep a note on the extensions that are there under the box. As you guys can see, under the box there are two extensions that should go inside of the loop. While taking it out also, you will have to lift this cover a little bit to take it out completely, because the extensions are inside of this loop. If the extensions don't go inside of the loop, your air filter box will not close properly and all the dust will go inside of the air filter from here. So see that both the extensions go inside of the loop properly, and if you look closely, then you can see that this part should go under this clamp. Then only you will be able to put the clamp back. So now I will put back both the clamps, and with that I am done replacing the air filter on this car. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like the video, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson for Nandi signing out until we meet again.